The intelligent fire suppression solution. Sinorix. Every business relies on different equipment and assets to drive their businesses. For some, it could be high-tech equipment such as data servers, telephone switch equipment, or medical equipment. While for others, it could be irreplaceable documents, artwork, or rare books. All of these valuable assets are at risk of damage from a fire when protected by water alone. Let's take a look at one example of a typical scenario and see why Sinorix is the perfect fire suppression solution for your valuable assets. Your company's high-value assets are the lifeblood of your business. But what if a fire destroyed them? What would happen if a fire broke out in this area? Most facilities like this are protected by a wet pipe or pre-action sprinkler system as required by code. Sprinkler systems are great at containing a fire and ensuring life safety and structural integrity in case of a fire. But in order for the system to release water, there must be enough heat to activate the sprinkler head. Thus, the fire continues to grow, causing more and more damage to your valuable assets. While this level of fire protection is acceptable in other areas of your business, it may not be acceptable for a location like this, where asset protection is critical. As the fire builds, all data and equipment inside this cabinet is virtually destroyed, and the room fills with an enormous amount of harmful smoke. Once the sprinkler system releases water, it rains down on other assets in close proximity, causing additional damage beyond what the fire originally had done. But what if there was a solution that could give you the added protection you need, ensuring asset protection and business continuity? Now there is. Sinorix from Siemens is an innovative and environmentally safe solution that extinguishes a fire virtually before it starts, reducing downtime and collateral damage. Traditional fire suppression methods work by smothering and cooling a fire, leaving water or harmful residue. Through system innovation, Siemens developed the Sinorix solution to suppress fires by mainly cooling them without leaving a residue or removing the necessary oxygen required for occupants to breathe normally. Thus, Sinorix protects your assets from fire without harming the occupants. Let's revisit this scenario and see how Sinorix responds to the same fire event. Although you can't see the fire, the thermal camera picks it up in its earliest stage. Almost immediately, the Sinorix system detects the fire, and an initial alarm is sounded. A minute and 45 seconds into the fire, the secondary detector sounds an alarm and initiates a 30-second pre-discharge countdown. Once the countdown is complete, the Sinorix system discharges and the fire is suppressed within seconds. Notice the computer screen next to the server with the fire. Although there was a fire in this room, Sinorix suppressed the fire quickly and allowed surrounding equipment to continue as normal without a costly or potentially business-ending interruption. The Sinorix solution requires very little space and can be installed easily in any protected area. And the Sinorix solution adheres to the most stringent environmental standards. In fact, by replacing your current environmentally unsafe halon system with the Sinorix system, you can gain a point toward your LEED EB certification. Thus, the Sinorix system is another example of how Siemens is dedicated to bring you innovative and environmentally responsible solutions for your business. If you have critical assets that need extra protection from fire, then you need Sinorix from Siemens. The intelligent fire suppression solution. Sinorix.